Hello and welcome to our exploration of one of Earth's most formidable natural wonders. Today we delve into the world of volcanoes, examining their existence and the profound impact they have on our planet. Beneath the crust of our seemingly solid Earth lies a dynamic and restless world, capable of shaping landscapes and influencing climates. Volcanoes emerge where tectonic plates meet, whether colliding, parting, or slipping beneath one another. In these regions of intense geological activity, rock melts into magma, which then forces its way upwards through the Earth's crust. When this pressure becomes too great to contain, an eruption occurs, unleashing torrents of molten rock, ash, and gases into the atmosphere. Volcanoes may seem purely destructive, but they are essential architects of our planet. They create new land, enrich soils, and even affect weather patterns. The dual nature of volcanoes, their capacity for both creation and devastation, is a central theme in Earth's narrative. In our modern world, understanding these powerful phenomena is more crucial than ever. Technological advancements enable us to monitor volcanic activity and provide timely warnings to communities at risk. Yet, with increasing populations settling near volcanoes, lured by fertile lands and economic opportunities, the stakes are higher. As volcanic activity becomes more visible, the urgency for knowledge and preparedness intensifies. Before we journey into the specifics of recent volcanic events, let's consider the various types of volcanoes that shape our world. Volcanoes come in different forms, each with unique characteristics. Shield volcanoes, for instance, are vast, gently sloping mountains formed by the slow accumulation of fluid lava flows. These eruptions can last for extended periods, gradually transforming landscapes. Notable examples include Hawaii's Kilauea and Mauna Loa. In contrast, stratovolcanoes or composite volcanoes are tall and steep, known for their explosive eruptions. Built from alternating layers of ash and lava, these volcanoes can wreak havoc over large areas. Mount Etna, Merapi, and Fuji stand as some of the most famous. Cinder cone volcanoes, though smaller, are no less dramatic. These conical structures erupt with ash and lava fragments, often with brief but spectacular displays. Lava domes form when viscous magma accumulates near a volcanic vent, potentially leading to explosive outbursts if pressure mounts beneath them. The largest volcanic systems, caldera volcanoes, result from colossal eruptions that cause the ground to collapse, forming expansive basins known as calderas. Yellowstone is a renowned example, both awe-inspiring and formidable. Submarine volcanoes, hidden beneath the ocean's surface, contribute to seafloor creation and occasionally birth new islands. Having explored these types, we turn our focus to some of the most recently active volcanoes and their global impacts. In recent years, several volcanoes have captured attention due to their activity. Haile Gubi in Ethiopia made headlines with its unexpected eruption in November 2025, releasing a massive ash plume and affecting local communities. Mount Merapi in Sumatra, Indonesia, has a notorious history, with a significant eruption in early 2025 following a deadly event in 2023. Though recent eruptions were less catastrophic, they underscore the ongoing threat. Similarly, Mount Ibu in Indonesia has exhibited intense activity, with over 1,000 eruptions in early 2025. Its frequent eruptions pose a constant challenge to nearby residents and raise concerns about future events. Sakurajima in Japan is known for its persistent eruptions. While most are minor, the potential for a major explosive event always looms, affecting daily life in the region. In East Java, Mount Rang's ongoing eruptions have disrupted aviation and demonstrated the volcano's capacity for significant impact. Ecuador's Sangay, nearly continuously active, affects agriculture and air quality, illustrating the pervasive influence volcanoes can have on local economies and environments. Let's pause to consider the broader implications of volcanic activity on our world. Volcanoes play a significant role in Earth's climate, capable of temporarily cooling the planet by releasing sulfur dioxide into the stratosphere. This gas forms reflective particles that diminish sunlight, as seen with the historic Tambora eruption in 1815. For communities near volcanoes, the risks are multifaceted. Ashfall, lava flows, and pyroclastic currents pose immediate dangers, while the long-term displacement of populations and the fertility of volcanic soils create a complex interplay of risk and opportunity. Economically, eruptions can have far-reaching consequences, disrupting aviation, tourism, and agriculture. The ash clouds that ground flights and the lava that obliterates infrastructure illustrate the potential for widespread economic disruption. Amidst these challenges, one might wonder, is volcanic activity truly on the rise? Several factors offer explanations. Natural geological cycles, characterized by clusters of eruptions, are an inherent part of Earth's rhythm. Additionally, changes in tectonic stress, particularly in regions like Iceland, Japan, and Southeast Asia, can activate magma systems. Some theories suggest that climate change, by altering glacial masses, may influence volcanic activity by reducing pressure on the crust. However, this remains a subject of scientific debate. Perhaps most importantly, advancements in monitoring technology and media coverage mean we are more aware of volcanic events than ever before. While it may seem that eruptions are increasing, it is our perception that has sharpened. As we consider the world's most dangerous volcanoes, we encounter the potential for truly catastrophic events. Yellowstone caldera in the USA, if it were to erupt at a large scale, could have global effects, including widespread ashfall, severe climate shifts, and immense economic losses. However, scientists emphasize the low likelihood of such an event occurring soon. Indonesia's Toba, another supervolcano, produced one of the largest eruptions in human history, and a future eruption could trigger a volcanic winter with global repercussions. In Italy, Campi Flegrei presents a significant risk near Naples. Signs of increasing activity and ground uplift suggest the potential for a major eruption with the capacity to disrupt much of the Mediterranean. Given these risks, how can individuals protect themselves during volcanic events? Following official alerts from geological agencies is paramount, as they provide critical real-time warnings and detailed hazard maps. Preparing an emergency kit with essentials like masks, goggles, and food ensures readiness for ashfall and other hazards. Protecting lungs and eyes from volcanic ash, which can be as abrasive as microscopic glass, is crucial. Knowing evacuation routes and obeying evacuation orders are vital steps in ensuring personal safety during an eruption. In conclusion, the presence of volcanoes reminds us of our planet's vitality and its perpetual transformation. Recent eruptions from Ethiopia to Indonesia underscore the interconnectedness of our world and the importance of understanding these natural phenomena. By expanding our knowledge of volcanoes and improving our preparedness, we can coexist with these awe-inspiring forces of nature, safeguarding our communities while deepening our appreciation for the remarkable planet we inhabit.